What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP, guys. Yes, I am looking at this from a smaller time frame right now at the 15 minutes, but I am noticing that we're getting some poppage right now, right? So there could be upside movement on this. To look at that upside movement, we're looking at here a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders, right? We got the head down there, we got the two shoulders right up here, and it looks like we are currently making that run right now, okay, guys? So if we can get a topside target based on this, let's identify first where that regression line could be. So I would say it would be something along the lines of this here, right? Let's get that center of that head, right, all the way at the bottom side to the neckline here, right, and apply it here to that right hand shoulder. And you can see here, guys, that we're getting right about this target up here. So I think that the space between that take profit zone would be roughly about the areas of 318.55 to 320.06. Okay, so looking at historical price, we have plenty of pivots up in that area that can suggest all kinds of stoppage, specifically right up here, right? So make sure to be witty about how you experience or how you plot these levels out. Now, I got to be honest here with you guys. I am repeating this video right here because I just recorded it without the fucking mic on, man. Yes, right? So we are doing it 2 times in a row. So guys, and now I got to tell you this, we are preparing here a massive breakout, and that would be from this huge channel, which is giving us a pretty large target, guys. Man, play this carefully, okay, guys? Play this carefully. Before we get there, I need to tell you this, guys. Take a look at this, damn it. Guys, I officially made an ACH withdrawal of $10,000, guys, because I am officially going to put down onto the Momentum channels. This is Momentum channels, the alpha, the alpha version, guys. I am going to trade it inside of the Kraken platform within the XCN asset, okay, guys? This is actually too big for me not to fucking do right now. So I'm telling you that if this starts bringing in the money that I'm thinking that it's going to do based on this data, it is over. I am not going to sell this ever again. So make sure to use that link in the top right to get this algorithm right now before I never ever sell it again. I swear on everything, guys. Look at this. Look at this, just based on the trades, okay? We're looking at this thing being at $40,000, right? 770, almost 800% up. When did it start though? $5,000 base account, okay, guys? $5,000 base account started December 1st, 2024. All the trades that it's ever made are there all the way across. And now coming back into the results here, you can see that this thing has made 770% to the upside, just about 40 grand. And it is absolutely drawing down 5.87% to make those $35,000. It has drawn down $500. Guys, if I'm funding this account tomorrow, so if this actually starts, if this pulls the way that it's doing, this link that you just saw is gonna be over forever, guys. You can just pay the one-time fee right now. That is a ridiculous fee, by the way, and just be over with it. Okay, let's get back to XRP right here. But I just wanted to. I'm being courteous here just to showing you what literally my life's work, guys. I have been training for this coding thing forever, and now it's finally okay. So you do you. I'm not going to tell you what to do, okay, guys? You kill it the way you want to kill it. Let's go ahead and move on to XRP because that's enough of a freaking hello on this indicator here because holy crap, bro. All right, anyway, so let's take a look at this channel giving us a big ass upside target. Guys, this is a huge bullish descending channel. We can go ahead and identify the topside target simply by taking that measurement from the width of that channel. Where do we apply it? To the area that we're breaking out from. So similar, something around here, right? So let's just say that the next few candles over to the right would be the ones to kind of, push the upside on this. This would be saying that we would be reaching somewhere around the 330, 331 area, guys. And that's pretty damn respectable here because that's a freaking resistance like no other. Guys, look at this. Right about there. Right about here, right? This area here to around this point here, using the 50% as our psychological take profit zone. That is your inverse head and shoulders right here, which, by the way, is giving room for the next inverse head and shoulders to be reached, which is giving us a target of already what? We spoke about it, 318.55 to 320. So that means that we get the break of the 318.55 to 320, pull this back, start validating here the 315 to 314. This would start the breakout process, right? In order for us to get into that area of around 330, guys, we must break above this area, 321.57, and we must get at least some 4-hour closures above that before we can continue on to the upside. What I can say is that BTC and the S&P 500 right now are actually very bullish. NQ is feeding the S&P 500. Now the S&P 500 would be catalyzing BTC, which in turn would make XRP move. Guys, this is an absolute chain that cannot be ignored, and this is the way that you can actually push XRP into their positive narratives, which we have already in line with all the contracts that they're going to be signing this week. Guys, this is absolutely amazing for XRP, okay, guys? So make sure to be careful here when leveraging in. Do not over lever ever, okay, guys? Make sure to use only what you are willing to lose, okay, guys? This is very dangerous to trade the financial markets inside of the crypto space, okay, guys? So I want you to be very careful here, team, okay? So upside targets, we just got the resistance that we were looking for from an even smaller inverse head and shoulders within an immediate short-term time frame here, and this would be leading towards this resistance here, which I talked about in the prior damn video, but now that it's happened, I'm not going to do it, right? So this leads to a resistance validation and also a validation of supports. So these support areas could be all the way down into this zone here still, okay, guys? So if we're experiencing, my goodness, English and I are just not agreeing today, but all good in the hood. So anyway, it would be, I would say anywhere between this area here to about this zone down here would be a pretty nice area to consider some longs, right? So yeah, I would say immediate short-term time frame pullback on this, right? Very, very bullish. And yeah, 310 to about 311.20 would be the center bound between those three targets. And if price action would come down just to a little bit of a lower valuation, I would say somewhere along the lines of this 309.92 could be okay. All right, guys. So remember to practice complete discretion here, guys. If you want to know how I do this, if you want to know how this is possible and continuously, right? You guys are forward testing me here, and I can see the viewership going up and the subscribers. So make sure to keep that up, guys, as I really appreciate it. And I want to just make sure that I can give retail the absolute edge for trading the financial markets the right way, the institutional way, guys. So let's go ahead and just go and reach out to me over here, okay, guys? ARCmasterscourse@gmail.com, right? That's gonna give you contact with me, okay? So make sure to ask for your disclaimer for your syllabus for the beginners mentorship for trading and charting, okay, guys? I also have more advanced programs, strategic traders. I also have programs for options traders. I have the programs for the executions, getting us ready to actually execute real life plays, and also psychology and conditioning for these plays, guys. Make sure to get in touch with me at arcmasterscourse@gmail.com. Okay, guys, sorry for that little typo there, right? arcmasterscourse@gmail is where you want to be. So I think, guys, that this is a pretty good place to leave off, but I will tell you, man, big time targets could be coming up here as long as we do have that S&P 500 strong alongside BTC. Okay, guys, it's looking like it. Okay, team, we had that catalyst already come in today. We were waiting for the Fed, right, to start speaking. We have a pro crypto panel coming up, guys. It's all good, man. I think we're all good. All right, guys. So we were able to observe all the bottom sides, all the top sides here together as we move. So let's make sure, guys, to stick to the right team and get this thing moving and rolling. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll go ahead and talk to you very soon. Okay, guys. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios, team. Oh, yeah.